Hi again. So this is my second box of the day. This is Sin. Welcome. This is covering my address. So let's get into the Quilter's candy box. This is for November. I received it a couple, maybe 2 to 3 days ago, but I just got a chance to unbox it today. So let's get into it. As usual, it comes with the pink tissue box, and it comes with the little information card of what is in here. So let's start. So this one looks like it is a pin. You're my pumpkin pie. That's super cute. It's a crow with a pumpkin pie. And I'm loving the enamel pins, so I'm liking that. Let's see who it came from. Enamel pin designed by Nash, the fabric designer for your fabric bundle. So that's really cute. It doesn't say what our prices are, like the retail price. So yeah, I can't tell you what the retail price is. So this is warm crochet scissors. These are going to be your favorite pair of scissors, and the only problem is you will want more. So I do have, I did get, see if I can find it. I did get one from, I'm not sure if it was a Quilter's candy box or Sew Sampler, but I did get one from before. I do like it. It's super sharp. So now I have another one, or maybe I'll do a giveaway, so stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook so that I can do a giveaway. Alright, so that's that. And then this is from Penny Rose Fabrics. And this is a fat quarter bundle of Calico Crow fabric designed by Nash of Transient Art for Riley Blake Fabrics. Okay, so it says it's nostalgic of vintage cooking recipes and autumn weather. It's perfect for fun fall projects. It is really nice. I am liking it a lot. So there's the crow on like a kind of a off-white color. So I like that. And then the second one is like a recipe. It says pie bird since 1989. It has a recipe for caramel popcorn. So it might be actual recipes. It looks like it. There's pumpkin cookies. And then here's a pumpkin and squirrel and apples and leaves on kind of a soft orange background. So that's cute. And here is a like a burgundy maroon colored background with white flowers. That's really nice also. And here is a brown, looks like bird prints, not footprints, but bird prints, bird tracks on this brown. And this is super cute too. So they all really go together nicely. So I like these a lot. And then there's a Bella Solids. Oh, so snow, let's see. This is a white Moda Charm pack of fabric. Instead of a treat to eat this month, we decided to add a little extra fabric. That's great because this is 0 calories. So I like this. I can always use this 42-inch. It's white. I can always use this as my background. So I really like that. And this is what I use mostly for my backgrounds anyway. And then the last thing is, oh no, that's not the last thing. Here. A Quilter tote using the design from the Quilter's candy box. That's really cute. You can use this as a reusable shopping bag for when I go grocery shopping. So I like that. Looks like it's just like ironed on there. So that's really cute. And the last thing is Snow Cabin Quilt Pattern by Brittany of Lo and Behold Stitchery. It says all of Brittany's patterns are modern yet inspired by traditional quilts. Okay, so let's open it up. Looks like there's a couple sizes. It says it's beginner friendly. which is always nice. It's a beginner friendly. It's a wall hanging baby or a throw size. And I'm not quite sure if I really like it, but I don't know. We'll see. So wall hanging is little one. I might do a wall hanging baby or a big throw. So fabric requirements. So it looks pretty easy. So yeah, I like that. Yeah, I'm not quite sure if I like this pattern, but it's always nice to have a pattern. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And again, I'll list everything down below in the description. Thanks. Have a great day.